This screencast is to demonstrate how to add a page pop or announcement to a Finalsites website. First, you will log into the Finalsite Composer dashboard. From here, you will access the modules icon, which is the square with a bunch of squares and rectangles, third one from the left down. From the modules icon, you will access what we're calling page pops. From the page pops page, you will have access to a folder that is for your department and or school and or club. You can add page pops to specific pages and also share them across numerous pages. From here, in order to create a new page pop, in the top right corner, I'm going to select Create Page Pop. From here, I'm going to add a title, which I can already see, Notice to the Public, and press here. And then in the message, you can either begin typing the information that you would like to share for your page pop, or if you have it from a different document, you can simply copy and paste. For this particular page pop, I'm going to remove the top title because it's already up here in the title. You can also make particular edits if you want to bold certain information, link certain information. So for this particular link here, I may highlight this, copy it, and then make it a link using this icon, add a link. I have open in a new tab, which is always best practice. Select OK, and then you can see that it is a link. You can make any type of word type edits to this text, and then over to the right side, you have a start and end date. You can select the date, which is today. Today is March 3rd, and it gives the time in which it is, or you can select a future time as well. The end date you can set ahead of time, so I'm going to have this end on March 7th at 11:59 p.m. There are other items for display options. If you are creating one at your school level, you can say all pages and it will go on all of the pages from your school site, or you can just select pages on your school's site. From here in the bottom right corner, there is a save button. So I'm going to go ahead and select save. It's going to ask, are you sure? You can select save, and then it will appear here. So I'm going to jump to our district website and just refresh my page. And now on here, you can see that the page pop is available for our community. This is how it will appear for your community as well. If you would like to make edits to page pops, you can go back to the module icon, access page pops, and then there will be a list available to you on this page. So I'm just going to go back here to uncategorized. So on this page, you'll be able to see previous page pops, and then you can make edits to them by clicking on the blue portion. If you have any questions, please don't ever hesitate to reach out.